1.
Alright guys, I've got a new car, or 2 of them. It's a HBX 1/10 scale monster truck, and it's pretty good. It's only brushed. I got 2 of them. Unfortunately I don't have the Hyper 10 anymore. I traded that for these 2 cars. But this is my backyard. It's a bit messy, but we're just going to do some testing on it around the backyard. Maybe I've got a little jump over there in the corner over here, and then we're just going to go over some stuff and then do some little speed runs in the grass and that. Alright, we'll come down to my HBX 1/10 scale monster truck. It's pretty good. I have done quite a bit of testing on it. Goes backwards, forwards, and all the usual stuff that it does. I'm running a 2-cell LiPo at the moment. It doesn't get too hot. It's nice, but we'll just do some testing at the moment. Alright, let's go. So we're just gonna go over here. It's fully charged, so we can get some nice speeds out of it. So we'll just go up some ramps and stuff, and come around, up and over and stuff. Don't follow the camera, follow the car. Get right down there. Alright, so what we're going to do is, we're going to go up this big rock right here. The articulation of these things is pretty good for independent suspension. I find it really well. It handles really well on all types of surfaces. It stops really well. So we'll go over this roof cut at the moment. I find that it's got some pretty good response for a crystal transmitter. As you can see on the back, there's a little crystal in it. It's pretty simple. It's just got throttle trim, steering trim, and to reverse the throttles, and just yeah. I've got some dirt rocks up here. We're gonna try it on. The center of gravity is kind of high, but I guess it's alright for now. Alright, so at the back here, I've got a little junk pile thing that we've got, and yeah, there's a big dog poo hole right next to it, but that doesn't really matter. I clean my cars afterwards, so if it goes in there, it doesn't really matter. But we'll just try it over this. So if you want, like a basic sort of crawler-like thing, this here is pretty good for it. For that sort of crawling over rocks and stuff, and that, I found that it's pretty damn good for this stuff. But I wouldn't go trying to put it through anything sort of serious, because it really won't last. Alright guys, I can't really get it up on this side, so what I'll do is I'll take her around onto this side. Let's see if we can get on top of the pile now from here. But like I said before, it's got quite good speed to it. It doesn't like to do wheelie stands, like wheelies or anything. It's kind of more just a sort of a speed-like truck. But I mean, it is kind of good for jumps and stuff if you want. But I wouldn't go like purposely trying to like do them, because it will nosedive. Because it's all pretty even. I mean, the battery's more towards the front, which depending on what sort of battery you've got can you know, I would have just a small battery in it at the moment, but you normally have one of the old NIMH 7.2 volt batteries in there. I will be changing one of them to brushless. This is my fast car because it's got my glitter ESC in it that I got with it. But I think I might put the slow car with brushless and just have that brush ESC as a backup. The same with the brush motor. I mean, if you come around here, I've got a bit of another sort of junk pile around here. Got a junk pile. Right, so if you hear me doing anything wrong and stuff and decide to comment on here that I shouldn't be doing it, I'm only 14 and haven't really been in the hobby that long, so I don't actually know everything about these things. So if you could kind of give me some tips and stuff on bits and pieces. I mean, look at how good that went up, and that's a slippery board because it's been in the rain and stuff. But I mean, it's good for this. Alright, so guys, we're just going to take it onto the road now. Alright, so my camera's going to go flat soon, like very shortly, so we'll just do a couple of little speed runs sort of thing with it. Like, so it doesn't really like to do wheelie stands or anything, but I mean, it does like to have a little bit of power, and these things do get really hot sometimes, so I wouldn't go, you know, like touching the whole motor, ESC and that after the run on a battery, because it will get hot. But I do have a couple of like truck things, like covers for them, which are identical. But the suspension's good. I got it up as high as it can go at the moment. I'm probably going to drop the back down so that might be able to see if I can get any wheelie stands or anything out of it. But it's pretty good stuff. Alright guys. guys, so I'm gonna go because the camera's literally on like 3%. So we'll get going and I'll see you next time, eh?